everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Peach.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. We're having to go around the mic today.
I know,
like,
we
hey.
have some technical...
Hey, you talk over there, I'll talk over here, and then we're back here.
Technical
like,
difficulties with the mic stand.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what?
I know
Let's forget about the mic stand. My hair is so voluminous today.
It is. It's fantastic. What have you been doing to it?
Not brushing it. And I brushed it today, and the volume came.
Well, keep it up.
I will.
Guess what else we have today as a special... Well, let's get this out of the way first before our special guest comes on.
Oh, yes.
We have a very special guest.
Very special guest.
But before we do that, hit that subscribe button. Follow us on TikTok,
Instagram,
Facebook,
Patreon.
and be sure and check out the new program, the Vocal Lab From the Bedroom to the Stage. We walk you through a four-week
4-week course with guests.
Yes, with multiple coaches. It's fantastic.
It's amazing.
You want to check that out. Also, check out our music on all the streaming platforms. We would love for you to stream us at your next dinner party.
That's right.
Or a little boom chicka chow, you know what I'm saying?
Boom
hey.
chicka chow.
But speaking of boom chicka chow cow cow, Katie has given birth finally. Carlos, please bring in Katie's new baby. The newest member of the Katie Talbot family.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Look at Peaches.
This is Peaches.
Oh my goodness. Peaches,
Isn't
you're
she
famous. Look at you, Peaches.
She'll literally sit right here.
Look how cute
she's
she
so
is.
chill.
Peaches is so chill.
We decided to get a dog for the two boys because winter is upon us, so we have shorter days.
Yes.
So we got a dog, and then we got an inside trampoline.
Oh, well, that's so fun.
So that they can get energy out.
Peaches is so cute. Speaking of Peaches, you all should watch our video that we did. We reacted to Peaches where Katie learned what a peach was.
Oh my gosh.
That one was a fun
You were so
time.
wrong about peach fuzz.
No, we were both right.
I don't know.
No, we're both right.
Go back and see.
Yes,
Hold
we'll
us
watch that one.
accountable.
So, Katie, let's go to the land of Wish. Was it Wish?
Morissette.
Yeah, but is it Wish-oke?
Yeah, I believe so. I've never seen this before.
Yeah, I think it's called
But
Wish-oke.
Peaches is very excited. Oh, we're just so excited.
Yeah, here we go. Ready? Morissette, Wish-oke. Oh.
I'm very thrilled today because I will be sharing this road trip with the country's next big diva and also award-winning artist. You guys just recently held the Wish 1075 Music Awards. She bagged 2 awards, of course, Wisher's Choice for Best Female Artist and also Wish 1075 Music Awards Female Artist of the Year.
Oh, look at her.
Let's play a game, and it's called Wish-oke to the tune of. So I'll be asking you to pick a number between 1 to 5, and you're going to sing
This is gonna be fun.
a song.
Are you
to the tune
excited,
of a
Peaches?
designated melody. All right? Okay, so let's do this.
Oh, this is nerve-wracking. I'd be nervous.
Trial mo na. Di, kaya mo na to. Kaya mo to.
Okay, wait lang. So, okay. Game.
Okay, just make it your own.
Okay.
Morissette style.
Let's go, okay.
I believe in you. Okay, so pick a number, 1 to 5.
4.
4. Okay, let's see. Number 4. Okay, you are going to sing Urong Sulong. Do you know Urong Sulong? Regine
Regine.
Velasquez.
Yes.
Yes.
Ow.
Urong Sulong to the tune of
Oh, no bite.
Pyramid. All right,
Ayan,
you can do
may
it.
kodigo tayo.
Maui.
Okay.
Maui Addicts, go.
This would be so hard.
So hard. No bite.
Minsan tuloy naiinis na, di mo ba ito napapansin? Na ako'y may pagtingin din, di mo ba ito napupuna? Na gusto na rin kita, urong sulong ka, urong sulong ka.
That's cool.
Urong sulong
She's
So
doing,
hard,
she's crushing
though.
it.
Bakit ka ganyan?
She's crushing it.
Urong sulong ka, bakit ka
Ow.
ganyan? Bakit ka ganyan? Urong sulong ka, urong sulong ka.
She's so like,
Urong
She
sulong
sounds amazing.
Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka ganyan? Urong sulong ka.
yeah, girl. That was amazing.
That's okay. Well, you made me believe na yun ang tono talaga ng Urong Sulong. So, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Morissette. Okay, let's do one more round.
Okay.
Basta like you had fun?
Sobra. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
College.
sige. We're done with number 4. Okay, pick
Okay.
another number from 1 to 5.
I need to pop that up.
Sige, 5.
Okay, 5.
Right.
You're going to sing Awitin Mo at Isasayaw Ko to the tune of Titanium.
Oh. I miss that song.
Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin.
We should play this game sometime.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I would be a nervous wreck.
Sana'y di
I'm sure she is too.
magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan.
Alright.
Pangako ko na manalagi kang pakikinggan magpakailanman. Awitin mo, isasayaw ko. Awitin mo, isasayaw ko.
It's crazy.
Her voice is just.
Yeah.
Literally, you guys.
That was so good.
Sila sa akin.
What
Wow.
a great
Making
challenge
Morissette
for
do a lot of weird
singers.
things while sitting down and inside a moving vehicle. So for
Kayo
that,
na.
okay,
Kayo
yeah.
na talaga, guys.
We are gonna treat you big
It's what we say all the time, girl.
later on. Yeah, and we are going to do one
like,
more
really?
round. Yeah, I think we still have 2 more.
One more round.
Enjoy.
One more round.
Feeling mo
One
good.
more
Okay,
round.
yeah,
One more. No.
Choose a number. Yeah, number 1 to 5. So let's see.
Pero 1
5
to 3
and
na lang.
4 is out.
Okay,
1.
birthday ko, 2.
2.
Ooh, okay.
You ready for this? Well, ready when you're even when you're not.
Yes.
Okay, you have to sing Kiliti to the tune of Dancing Queen.
Okay.
Dancing
Oh, dyan, may kiliti ako dyan.
Yeah, it's so good.
They didn't give her a minute either. Like,
No,
they
they
jumped
just, like,
right in.
put her in the mix.
Relax ka lang, oh yeah. Mula sa noo hanggang sa paa sa kaniyang masahe, mainda ka sa sobrang sarap. Patirik ang
She's killing it.
Crushing it.
Wow, nakakakiliti talaga.
My goodness, sobra.
Alright, okay, good one, good one. How about let's do one more?
Sige.
I'm feeling it eh. Ako eh, no?
They're gonna run out of
Talaga eh.
numbers.
I'm enjoying
Ako,
it eh.
ito, pinapawisan. Hindi dahil sa init.
Her face is that one when they jumped right in.
Great. You are killing
I know,
it.
she was
You know,
like-
she's like, okay.
Okay, let's do one
just
more.
threw it to
One
the
more.
wolves.
Okay, 1 to 5. All right, so
No
almost
5,
everything is
4, or
already
2.
out.
You have 1 or 3.
1 or 3.
So, 1 and 3.
3. Okay, so let's do 3.
Give her some more.
You are going to
You can't have
sing
wine bucket peaches.
Bagsakan. Yeah. To the tune of. You ready for this?
Wala akong choice.
On the Wings of Love.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Nandito na si Chito, si Miranda. Nandito.
For one thing, for her to know all these classics too.
Well, I think there are the words in front of her.
No, but I mean like,
Oh, yeah, the
just
songs,
remember the
yeah.
melodies.
Si Francis
Say you haven't heard something in ages, you know?
Yeah.
Nandito na si Glock 9, wala siyang apelyido. Mababagsakan. Nandito na si Chito, si Miranda. Nandito na si Kiko.
Yeah.
Si Francis Magalona. Nandito na si Glock 9, wala siyang apelyido.
ako singer, guys. Char.
Oh my gosh.
That was so fun.
What a
Look,
champ.
she's sweating.
Francis M, of course. Sheeta
She-
Miranda and Glock 9 would hear
Hindi na
that.
po ako magpapakita sa kanila.
They'll be like,
Oh my gosh.
I am here.
Can we please hang out with her?
I would love to.
Please.
Or else dead na yung careers mo, sir.
No, you did great. You nailed everything. You actually owned
True
everything,
champion.
Morissette. So thank you very much. We enjoyed it very much. The Wish team enjoyed it very much. Woo! We enjoyed it as well.
Sobra.
Yeah.
Parang workout.
Okay, yeah.
Boys, everything.
Since I think that was enough vocalization for you, I think you were more than enough ready for your first Wish because of performance here on the Wish Ride. So check it out, you guys.
So
That's
good.
amazing.
That was
How?
incredible.
How fun.
So fun.
And what, that's
and
hard.
so hard.
That's so hard.
Just another
just
level
gotta
that
chill.
shows how good she is.
Yeah. Her agility and everything. Literally
Yeah.
everything.
Her mind's quick. It's fast. She's again playful. She's a big point here. She is courageous
Yeah.
and willing to
she just jumped
go out
into
on the
it.
limb.
Yeah. Just jumped
Sometimes
into
that happens. You know, in every singer's career, if you begin to flourish and do a lot of work as a singer, you're going to be thrown in instances like that where you have to
Yeah.
sing something on the spot.
Yeah. And there were moments where her voice was flat, but you don't think about
Don't
it.
even think about it.
Because for one thing, she just keeps going. She
Yeah.
doesn't hone into that at all.
Yeah.
And then you're also just watching her create something as she's going, which is just incredible.
Yeah, it was insanely
Gutsy
great.
and
That
flawless.
was super fun. Super fun.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
you guys.
Peaches, did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? I think it's interesting that we did a song about peaches, and all of a sudden you get a dog and name it Peaches.
Well, it's Princess Peach because Elijah loves Mario.
Oh.
But
She
I
has
had a
little
dog
Peach.
named Peaches when I was Elijah's age. And then James had a cat named Peaches. So we're like,
But it's
Bring
cool
it
too
back.
because she's got like peaches and cream for her color.
yeah, and you a peach, huh?
You little cutie.
Well, we love you guys.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Tao.
And this is Peaches. And,
And
we
we
are
are
Vocal Lab
Vocal Lab
Collective.